Alright guys, one upload a day for 30 days, a minute or longer, one take, or first take, and no editing, yeah. So if you guys want to see the video of the first proper test drive of the Baja, that is up on my dad's channel, VW Jawbreaker. I'll put a link up yonder. The only thing I will say is we made it back in one piece. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, go watch that. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to it if you aren't subscribed. Like it, you know, all that. Comment what you think. And yeah, I figured I just might as well. Nice and easy video for today. Taking a little cheat and just promoting his video real quick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though nothing really happened. We'll see you tomorrow for another video. See ya.